Nice long one there. Oh, you know what? Leave that dude in there. There's a nice radish in that variety. Filling up fast. Hey, what's up guys? So today is Friday and tomorrow is actually the first farmer's market that I'm gonna go to. It's the second one that's opened since the quarantine or whatever, all this stuff happened. So today I'm gonna be pulling out some radishes from the garden, some baby kale. We've got some starts, some tomato starts that we're gonna sell, as well as some birdhouse gourds. So we're excited to get back into it. Excited to get rid of some things that are ready. I didn't go last week when they first opened because honestly it was turkey season and I didn't want to miss it. It was the last weekend, and so you can see where my priorities are there. So yeah, I went turkey hunting and I didn't get anything, so it didn't pan off. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and harvest these radishes, see how we do. The first one there, we gotta wear masks and all that stuff, so it's kind of crazy, but we're gonna do it. I'm gonna leave the kids this time. This is the first time I've went by myself. So it'll be kind of nice actually to not have to like babysit and run the farmer's market at the same time. But also I had a lot of help, you know, when they weren't playing and stuff and messing around with each other and fighting. It was a lot of help, so I'm gonna kind of miss that. So anyway, let's do it. It's a big one there, dude. A weed. Get that out of there. So we got the cabbage here. Cabbage is doing really good. I've got like 3 rows of that. You can see some kale that's like overgrown with weeds. This is Russian kale along here, along with some blue kale. I think that's what they call it. Let's see, where's my other kale? Okay, so here's my radishes. That's what I'm going to be pulling out today. I actually got started on them already. As you can see, I got some pretty good size ones there. Actually pretty huge. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleaning today. To take you through that process. So I've got a lot of radishes that are ready to go. They just got a good rain the last couple of days, so they're soaked up and ready to go here. I got here, I just put in some sweet corn. So see some more cabbage, more cabbage, and here's my kale. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna harvest some of these bigger leaves and I'm gonna sell that. That's, you know, baby kale, it's smaller leaves, but a lot of people enjoy that. And I'm also gonna make myself a kale shake. I've really gotten into that, I really like it. So I'll post another video on the kale shake. Just reaping the rewards from your homesteading and from your farming. You know, that's one of the biggest things is just having that reward and eating healthy and feeling good. So we got tomatoes, peppers are really small, guys, but they're there. And my watermelon bed, I just put in a couple days ago, so I don't got anything coming up there. I've got some that I had from starts that are popping up, but that is it. So that is the garden, guys. Nothing but rain. Lots and lots of rain. So I'm just gonna wiggle these a little bit. Wiggle them out because it's so muddy that I can get away with this. So, got good growth on them. I'm gonna pull the ones that are ready to harvest, and then I'm gonna let the other ones grow a little while, and so I'll get hopefully some more growth out of them. Kind of a dual harvest here. A lot of people thin theirs. That's, you know, what they always tell you to do, but I'll thin them a little bit, but I'll let them go. These go and get big enough. Yeah, this one's kind of small, but I'm gonna take them anyway, and it's gonna clear out so the rest of them to grow pretty good. So these here that you're gonna see pull out, that's what you probably typically think of as a radish. And these here that you're seeing, that you're probably like, why are they white and elongated? Well, these are called white icicle radishes. Same taste, they just kind of look cool. There's lots of recipes out there. You can just eat them fresh in salads like you would a regular radish, or you can roast them. But yeah, they're absolutely delicious. So you see, big difference. You can't really confuse them. I broke this one off earlier, but man, it was way down in the ground. So in the comments below, let me know if you like radishes, if you grow radishes, if you got any tips about radishes. What do you do with radishes, you know? Do you got any cool recipes, or are we just pretty much using them in salads? So I wanna know. Put it in the comments, tell me what you guys got going on. I'm curious. Ooh, here's a nice big one. Oh yeah, come on out, baby. Oh, look at that sucker. Woo-wee. So, not a lot of uniformity. I think I got to disc a little. I'm gonna have to till a little bit more into the soil, a little deeper, because I get my soil loose somehow. If you got tips on that, I'll take that. But just need this soil a little bit more loose, because I think when they hit that hard, compact ground, they kind of get a little deformed, and they kind of try to grow all kinds of different ways. So you never know kind of what uniform shape you're gonna get, or if you're gonna get a uniform shape.
We're not doing like the red one. Hey, Mom, how was it work? Kaylin! Failed to catch it and then whoa! Oh! I caught it with my pinky. Wonder how much I can catch at a time. This one's green. I'm not gonna put it in until I catch them all.
Weird, it must be mutated.
What?
It must be mutated.
It looks like a knee. Pass me the green one. Aiden, I thought that.
Layla, don't give her dirty ones. Come on, dude.
Oh, well, you can just yeah.
Okay, put it in the basket, Aiden.
Oh, I'm gonna see my dad. Wait, Dad, are we gonna chop off the root and then plant more? What the heck is Boomer's back? Are you gonna chop
No,
off?
turnips don't work like, or radishes don't work like that.
Oh, so it's gonna be gosh, I'm getting so. Leaf. Oh, leaf.
This one's got another plant attached to it.
Yeah, you have a big journey. Go down and get all the. Which one was it? Was it silver? You have to go down to Waterfall Hill and get the falling silver. I chopped that one in half on accident. It was like blew up over the stem. I caught that.
All right, we're almost done here.
Layla, what are you doing? You're just like throwing them out of, like, not in the basket.
All right, let's,
Yeah.
Weston, take that thing down. Let's put them all back up on the table, get them all washed.
Wow! Thanky, winky, Hey, that's not clean. Well, they're putting it into the pile, so obviously it is. Hey, here's learn.
Are right. Yeah. Might want to take your jacket off. You're probably going to get a little wet from this. We can all go in and have some hot tea.
Oh,